Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Did you ever celebrate Moon Festival? Did you ever have moon cakes? So Moon Festival, also known as Mid-Autumn Festival in Chinese, 中秋节, it falls on the 15th of the 8th month of Chinese lunar calendar. So this year it falls on September 21st. And we believe on that day the moon is the brightest and the fullest. Of course, because the fullness symbolizes the reunion of the family and the happiness and all the good things. And the family get together and have a big dinner and then appreciate the beautiful moon and also enjoy moon cakes. So I got a bunch of moon cakes from an Asian market. I'm going to show you. Here I have 4 kinds. This is red bean, this is lotus seeds and with yolk. And this is just the red lotus seeds. I guess red because it use brown sugar, and this one just lotus seeds. They don't have nuts, filling, or ham, like Yunnan ham. Moon cake is also very popular. So this one is lotus seeds. It's opening. So this is made from lotus seeds and blended the seeds into paste. Okay. And this one is red bean paste. What's your favorite?
I think I like red bean paste the best,
Yeah.
but also lotus is nice.
Yeah, so we cut it. And we can share, right? This is red bean. Let's try one with the yolk.
Oh, I don't know if I'm a yolk person.
You're not? So this one with yolk. Let's see.
Wow.
Yolk in the middle.
That's pretty cool.
Can I give you some pieces
Yeah, I'd like
to
that.
try? Sampling, right? Piece of this. And red bean, you like it, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is red bean paste. And this one was yolk. Oh, here's the yolk. You don't want the yolk? It just falls off. Enjoy.
How about yourself?
Yeah, I'm getting for myself. Also, we need some tea. This is jasmine tea. Smells good, right?
That's great.
Here you go.
Thank you. Which one are you trying first?
Cheers.
Oh, let me get that.
Cheers to Moon Festival. All the
Cheers.
happiness.
Very jasmine-y.
So I'm gonna try it's red bean. That's your
I'm
favorite,
gonna try
right?
the lotus.
Notice? You're allowed trying your favorite?
Okay, let's go there. Let's go with the red bean. Very fresh. Mm-hmm. Wow.
This is freshly made from the bakery.
I hope.
And I hope you guys will go get it if there's an Asian market by you. Either you can get on the Moon Festival that day, or even after that. Maybe after festival will be half price. Right?
Really?
This one's lotus. Lotus paste.
That's my favorite. That's
Yeah, right?
delicious.
Very smooth. Not too sweet. And this one was the yolk.
I'm scared of the
you
yolk
didn't.
one.
I know. I didn't give you yolk.
Well, all right, here we go. Not bad.
I like it. Actually, the yolk is salted egg yolk. It's good.
I like the other two, lotus and the red bean is awesome.
So you guys can see, right? The mooncake have very thin crust. So inside is the filling, as I said, they have lotus seeds paste or red bean or sometimes you nuts or ham. That's mooncake. And I hope you guys are going to find some and enjoy. Of course, I miss my family and I also will miss the loved ones who are not here anymore. We love you guys and happy Moon Festival. Thank you for watching. See you next time.